In previous videos, you may have noticed that my inbox is in very bad condition. 8,000 odd unread emails plus thousands of others that probably don't need to be there. I'm determined to do better, and after archiving and deleting unwanted emails, I'm going to show you how you can utilize the Categorize function in Outlook to turn this into this. Let's take a look. So we want to better organize and have stronger oversight of our emails. And categorizing these is an excellent way to do this. And it is a definite guarantee for enhancing productivity, not only in your workplace, but also at home. Now, the categories that I want to sort my emails into are probably about 7 different categories. We'll go work or professional, personal or sentimental, finance, shopping or retail, health, utilities, and then an important section such as legal documents, etc. So how can we do this? Go to your home ribbon and select Categorize. The best way to do this is to jump down and go to Manage Categories. Now those 7 categories may be able to be fitted into these different colored categories here. You simply go in there and rename those. So you can go to Edit, the blue category for example, and we could call this Work Professional. And there you have it, Work Professional, and then you go Save. Now I'm going to go down and fill out all of those different categories according to my preferences. Now I've promptly gone and filled all of those out, but you'll remember that I had 7 categories and there's only 6 listed in this default screen here. I'm missing important/legal. So how do I go about creating a new one? Well, you simply go up to Create New, and then here you can choose a different color. So we might choose perhaps a blue-gray color, and then we can add that new category to our list. And I'll quickly do this now. And there, it's been nicely added. So we have our 7 different categories. A bit of good advice is to add each of these to your favorites. And as you do this, you'll notice on the left-hand side that these favorites are added to your left-hand panel there. So it'll be easier for you to quickly access and grab hold of these and monitor how many of these emails you have under these categories. Now that you've got these categories, how do you connect your desired emails to those categories? Well, for example, we have a retail section here, and there's a number of retail emails we have here. So I'm going to go and select some of these retail emails and then go to Categorize up on your ribbon and then connect these with retail. And then if you go to Archive, it's removed from your inbox. Now what you can do if you want to see these emails, you can click Retail and there they are, nicely inserted and categorized. So you can see that this is an excellent way to take control over your inbox, to properly classify your emails and focus on your most urgent emails when appropriate, and then you can quickly go and review these perhaps less urgent emails in the appropriate category to save you time. Wouldn't it be good if you could have an automated arrangement where you could have this automatically archived and categorized when that email is sent to you? Well, in the next video, we're going to show you how to do this. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or comment, and happy emailing.